Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to explore a critical aspect of organizational resilience, supply chain resilience and business continuity with a focus on ISO 22301. Supply chains are the backbone of global commerce, but they are also vulnerable to disruptions. ISO 22301 provides a framework for ensuring supply chain resilience and business continuity. Let's delve into this topic further. Supply chain resilience refers to an organization's ability to anticipate, adapt to, and recover from disruptions in its supply chain. It involves identifying vulnerabilities, building redundancy, and establishing alternative sources to mitigate risks. Importance of supply chain resilience. Why is supply chain resilience important? Well, disruptions in the supply chain can have far-reaching consequences, including delays in production, shortages of goods, and loss of revenue. Ensuring supply chain resilience is essential for maintaining business continuity and customer satisfaction. Supply chain risks. Supply chains face various risks, including natural disasters, geopolitical instability, supplier failures, and cyber attacks. Organizations need to assess these risks and develop strategies to manage and mitigate them effectively. ISO 22301 provides a systematic approach to establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving our business continuity management system (BCMS). By aligning with ISO 22301, organizations can enhance supply chain resilience and ensure continuity of operations. Key principles of ISO 22301. ISO 22301 emphasizes several key principles that are relevant to supply chain resilience, including leadership commitment, risk management, business impact analysis, and continual improvement. These principles form the foundation of an effective BCMS. Supply chain continuity planning. Supply chain continuity planning involves identifying critical suppliers, assessing their resilience, and establishing contingency plans to address disruptions. Organizations must collaborate closely with suppliers and stakeholders to ensure alignment and coordination. Testing and exercises. Regular testing and exercises are crucial for validating supply chain continuity plans and identifying areas for improvement. These activities help build confidence in the resilience of the supply chain and ensure readiness to respond to disruptions effectively. Collaboration and communication. Effective collaboration and communication are essential for supply chain resilience. Organizations must establish channels for sharing information, coordinating response efforts, and building trust among supply chain partners. In conclusion, ensuring supply chain resilience and business continuity is paramount for organizations operating in today's interconnected world. By aligning with ISO 22301 and adopting best practices in supply chain management, organizations can mitigate risks, enhance resilience, and thrive in the face of adversity. Thank you for joining us today, and we explored the importance of supply chain resilience and business continuity. Remember, a resilient supply chain is a competitive advantage. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.